Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to make your video private on Roposo.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
You can easily make your video private by following this quick tutorial. To begin, open the Roposo app from your apps drawer. On the homepage stream, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now select the video, which you want to make private. Now tap on the pencil icon, over the react icon on this video. A menu will appear on your screen. Tap on, make this post private. From the confirmation window, tap on, yes. That's it. Your post's privacy has been updated. If you want to make this video public, open the video. And then, again tap on the pencil icon. Then select, make this post public. From the confirmation window, tap on, yes. And your video privacy is public again. So in this way, you can make your video private on Roposo. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.